Oh, hey! Weapons.
Weapons. Squirt gun. So Andrew's been on this kick, and it's too long of a story, I think, to get into. But the bottom line is, if Andrew talks about for more than 15 minutes at a clip, I've been instructed to pull out my squirt gun, and we're gonna train him like a cat. So, you know, just a little spray, and hopefully that's enough of a deterrent to stop with the talk.
What is?
It's classified right now. Yeah. It
has
has
to
to do with one of our cases.
Oh.
So it is classified, but yeah, he's a little too obsessed. For good reason, but yeah, so we
I
got...
also have. However, I did explain, and I have said it multiple times already, that I'm Team Andrew. So I will not be spraying a fellow Andrew with a squirt gun. It's natural that fellow Andrews will defend each other. So yeah, this will not be being used on Andrew. It's just I'm always gonna be supporting a fellow Andrew. Although there may be exceptions to that. That would be like, you can say, what about this guy? And I'd be like, well, it's not that guy. Not that Andrew, but most Andrews I will defend.